So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this koroba hairstyle using Brazilian wool. First, I parted the hair into two parts because of the particular style I wanted to use. Then I made use of my hair wax to create a perfect pattern. Then afterwards, I went in to define the pattern. Then I went further into dividing it into 4 equal parts. You can also create this style using your attachment, but I wanted to try it out with the Brazilian wool to see the outcome it's gonna give me. So after cutting into 4 equal parts, I went further into dividing it. I wanted to create a love at the back, a love shape, where I have to start with, because I was making use of this hairstyle as my guide, this one up here. So I created the first part, which is this 2 right here, and then the next one was the, as you can see, it formed the love shape. Then the next one was the spiral. Then I had to create that as well. Now it's no news that you have to properly brush the hair before you braid, and also you have to braid the hair first before attaching the attachment or the wool or any other extension you want to make use, because it gives you this defined look at the front. It makes it so slim and it gives this beautiful outcome. that one because I wanted to create another design beneath it, this love design, because I wanted to give you that love outcome at the end. And then I went to the front and started the front as well. I'm done, as you know, you have to tie the mouth of the Brazilian roll. So after that, I have to cut it off and then trim. So after trimming, that's when we start rolling it into the koroba hairstyle. So to roll it into the koroba style, you start from the tip, roll it in a circular motion. Make sure the other hand holds it firm because it has to be firm so it doesn't lose. So you continue in that circular motion, rolling it up in circular motion. So after you have gotten to the point where you want it to stop, that's when you hold it and then you use your needle to sew it up there. So when using your needle, you have to pull it from one end to the other end like this. So you take it from one end to the other end. Make sure the needle penetrates each and every braid there so it sticks together. The back to be a little bit longer than the front, and that's exactly what I did. It's really nice. Thank you for watching.